Hi guys, this is Melissa with Practically Creative. Welcome back to today's edition of the Holiday Hop. Today's block is an ornament block, and this is really simple. I am going to show you the applique on it, but I'm not going to make you watch me put this all together. All I did was I cut circles of the size I wanted, which is 3 inch, and I did several out of scrap fabric from my other blocks that I've made from the Holiday Hop. And without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to applique on these. I hope you enjoy. You're going to do the same thing with all of the little ornament blocks that are on here. And when you are done, you will have a completely sewn block. I will be back to show you once I have that done. You guys all enjoyed that. Once again, here's the block. And this is the Holiday Hop for 2023. My friend Sylvia at You and Me FPP and I are both making a mini quilt for the holidays. So I'd like to wish you all a happy holiday, whether you celebrate Christmas, Kwanzaa, Chanukah, Hanukkah. I have no clue how to pronounce things. So if you want to correct me, please do so in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll put some more videos up over here for you to see. A playlist for the Holiday Hop from both me and from Sylvia. And we'll have some other videos if you are not interested in the holiday stuff, but want to see some of the other sewing things that we do. Have a great day, and thank you all for watching.